Hello, professionals and students. Let's welcome back another important tip for you. How to find a job against program and a program against job. We can use the same transaction sorry, we can use the same table. We can able to find the what is the thing. Before getting into the session, if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. Okay. If you like some video, you can like it. No one is going to harm you. Let me try to help you out how to do this one. If you are not yet subscribed my Udemy channel, you can subscribe. It will be like a revision one advantage. And if you'd like to learn real-time tips, you can learn from here. Anyhow, you will be with my YouTube channel. I'm continuously striving to transfer my knowledge after having extensive experience. Okay, let's see. Currently, I'm holding 3,483 students and 395 successful reviews, and this is 4.2 hours rated. It is 86 hours. And SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics and Business Partners, this is another 9 hours, which is exclusively who don't have experience on SAP S4 HANA. If you don't have any footprints, no problem, you try this course. With this, you will try to manage and you can work for other concepts as well. As this is exclusively for BP. Three scenarios: external number range or internal number range with same number and different number. Okay, so this is the must inevitable course for every functional consultant who would like to see the future. So it is specifically useful for your enhancement and support enhancement projects. How to write functional specification, getting master to write functional specification. This course will be updated currently 6.5 hours. If you are passionate about pricing like me, getting more, so you wanted to become a master in pricing, you try this basic course. And I have another course. This I have captured all business processes here specifically. So like sales order, what do you call, returns, three scenarios, free of charge, subsequent free of charge, intercompany stock transfers. Initially I started with 16 processes. It is increased more, like service order. This is the place where you try to remember this. This is how you need to do the practice, so that it will be useful. This is for stock transfer or intercompany sales in ECC. Okay, so like I have few set of courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. You try these courses, it never disappointed. It's all courses more than like around 150 to 200 hours. Okay, if you have that seriousness, you can subscribe my Udemy as well. As so now let's get into the topic actually. Okay, so here, what is this? The table is TBTCP. It is very, very important. This is generally, olden days basis consultants used to do that. But being a functional, you should require to learn about this one. Let's try to get into the SAP now. Okay, let me log in. So SC16N. So this is the table. Need not remember anything. Let's try to understand the process. So follow my YouTube videos, something which will be useful. So if you know the job name, you can give the job name. You can try to find out the program. There are different ways. I will show you. I think I have already shown you in my previous videos how to create a job and schedule to automate certain process for creating billing documents or delivery documents. So if you know program ID also, you can able to find it. Okay. So let's do one thing. If you have any external program, that also you can able to give it. So let's do one thing. Let me try to run this. We are getting all standard background jobs actually. Okay, so in real time, you freshly join, you would like to be a bit faster to know something, like you should have to follow these kind of tips actually. Step numbers, job number, and everything will be there. Let me try to put it. If someone has created GSD, let's execute this. So no one is created. That is a great thing. Okay, G star. bill. Okay, someone might create it, will come to know. No one created. Okay, no problem. At least with the G, what are all the background jobs it created, you will get it. You can see this. All these are the jobs actually. Okay, so if I remove entries 500, probably you will find 7,884. Someone is trying something else here. Okay, these many jobs scheduled from different modules. It seems to be it's a practice or else I don't know. It is from like a institution side. Okay, so work batch workflow, like workflows also created. Someone workflow folks trying to practice these kind of things. Okay, let's assume you got some job like this. Okay, like or some job like this or some job like this. If you want to filter it out, let's give the job name here and execute it. See, now you got these two jobs. Okay, this is how you have to work. There is nothing special. Real time, don't worry. Be perfect in standard. That is more. So if you are like false guy, then we cannot do it. I'm talking in terms of subject actually. Okay, have that confidence and try to do practice, and welcome to the industry. Okay, so TBTCP, you learn something. Thank you so much. If you are not a subscribed, please subscribe my channel, and I wish you all the best. More importantly, Jai Hind.